Hari Om parents, class 1 children. Today I am going to teach you lesson 9 in English. Some questions I will ask you children. Suppose you are writing some tests in your class with your teacher and you don't know, some doubt you have in that particular test. You watch that other your friends are cheating by getting some help, they are cheating. What you are doing at that time, what should you do children? You should also cheat or you should keep quiet, or you should follow some honest thing that I don't know, I don't want to write. So what is your opinion children? You know who is our national father? Your all answers must be one answer, that is Mahatma Gandhi ji. So today we are reading about our national father Mahatma Gandhi ji. So what happened when he was child and as a student in the class, what happened one day, how he has shown his honesty. So very beautiful lesson children. If you read now, definitely you are going to learn some good points from this lesson. Let us read children. You know about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. He always spoke the truth. He never cheated. He helped our country to win freedom from the British rule. We call him father of our nation. So why we call him as a father of our nation children? आम जातीय पिता बोले आम कहीं डाकवा ना ब्रिटिशर्स जिते रूल करुले 200 वर्ष आम समस्ते बहुत कष्ट से इंडियन सब आम बहुत कष्ट भोगी से कबल आमको मुक्ति करते से कौन डाकू जातीय पिता. तो गांधीजी इज व्हाई इज सो ग्रेट, व्हाई इज कॉल्ड एज फादर ऑफ नेशन. आम देशर कहीं समस्ते आम बापा बोली डाकवा बिकॉज he made our life free and we are now completely free and happy and joyful life we are leading because of Mahatma Gandhi. If we wouldn't have struggled, then our life will be very miserable now. आम लाइफ टाइम बहुत कष्ट होता. आज जाए ब्रिटिशर्स रही था आम सब पाठ पढ़ी न था, स्कूल जाई न था, खाली आम बहुत कष्ट पड़ी था, इनक्लूडिंग आम पेरेंट्स सहित आम समस्ते भी कष्ट पड़ी था. सो आम से father of nation बोली डाकिबा. So whenever children you are taking test, anytime have you seen that your friends are cheating in the class and at that time what you thought? I also like to cheat and get 10 by 10. No, I don't want to cheat because I don't know this answer. I will prepare, next time I will get the mark. What you thought children? But listen children, Gandhiji never told a lie. He never spoke any bad things in his from career, from childhood to till death. So that's why he is called as a Mahatma. Yes or no? Mahatma mane Mahan Atma. What is his full name children? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. See children, page number 54. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a shy boy at school. When he was as a student, when he was reading in school, he was very shy boy. माने बहुत लाजकुड़ा, बहुत कम कथा होतिले, बहुत कंफ्यूज रहिथिले, बहुत डरी चुपचाप रहुथिले. The school bell rang one evening. He quickly collected his books and set out for home. So whenever school bell rings, you are going home. When school bell starts, you start prayer and you read seven periods or 8 periods. When the long bell will ring, you take out, you catch your bag and you go home. Like that only what happened. The school bell rang one evening. He quickly collected his books and set out for home. Mohan never stopped on his way home to chat with friends or to eat something like other boys. He was scared because other boys might stop him and make fun of him. So in your class also some children are very calm and quiet and very confused and very shy children must be there. So Gandhiji was very afraid to stay back while going home after school. See children, usually what you do after school, you like to eat something on the road, you like to buy some toffees from the shop, or you will talk to your friend, walk slowly. But Gandhiji was never doing like that because he was feeling very afraid because their friends may stop him and make some jokes and laugh and this thing, they will make fun of him. That's why he was very scared. Always when school will be over, he will be running to his home straight. One day, Mr. Giles came to Mohan's school to inspect the school. So one day, our school inspector, he came to, when he was a student, when Mr. Giles came to Mohan's school. Mohan's school माने Gandhiji school to inspect the school, to check the school, how the classes are going on, how the children are reading in a disciplined way, how the teachers are teaching. In your school also sometimes for inspection some officers are coming, and you will be noticed also that day teachers will be making you sit silently, and they will maintain all discipline. Like that only he came into Mohan's class. Directly the inspector came to Mohan's class. So that day what class was going in the mane Gandhiji's class? Mohan mane Gandhiji. That day teacher dictated 5 English words. What happened? When the inspector entered, 5 English words he did. Who dictated, children? That particular English teacher. So all children, they have written. Mohan wrote, mane Gandhiji wrote 4 words correct and 1 word wrong he has written. So what he has written? But he did not know the spelling of the 5th word kettle, Kettle. So he has written wrong. Who? Mahatma Gandhi. He kept quiet. Mohan's teacher noticed Mohan's hesitation. So teacher was telling him, showing some ishara. See, here you have written mistake, write properly. Then he was showing hesitation. When teacher was telling like this, he was getting confused. Why teacher is helping me at this particular time? I don't want to write the correct answer by asking the teacher or by cheating from somebody. He signaled Mohan to copy the word from the neighbor's slate. So what the teacher is giving signal? That you copy from the neighbor boy who has written correct word from the slate. He did not behave the inspector's back, but he did this behind the inspector's back. So when the inspector is walking like this, then backside of this thing inspector, the teacher told, you please copy from the, just he has signaled, ishara kale. He signaled, you copy this word from this thing. But Mohan ignored his teacher's signals and did not copy the word from another student. So all the boys except Mohan wrote the 5 words correctly. Mohan wrote only 4 words correctly. So what happened, children? He did not give any notice to his teacher. No, I don't want to copy. How nice, what a nice behavior of that particular Gandhiji's childhood behavior. Yes or no, children? That's why he became very great person in in our India. Yes or no? What you would have done, children, in that place? You would have copied immediately, or you would have got scared of your teacher and obeyed his thing. What you must be doing, I don't know. Or what you will be doing, I don't know. But Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he hesitated. No, I don't want to cheat. When in class everybody wrote correct except Gandhiji. Everybody's 5 answers also, spellings also correct. Only Gandhiji wrote 1 word mistake. When the inspector went away, the teacher scolded Mohan for not obeying his signals. Why you didn't obey? Your teacher also is scolding whenever you are not listening, and your principal or anybody is going, you are not listening, means after that again your teacher is scolding you. Like that only Mohan's teacher also shouted at him. Mohan, why didn't you copy from your neighbor? Why didn't you obey me? The whole class laughed at Mohan, but in the evening while going back home. So what happened, children? Mohan, he shouted at him. Mohan, why didn't you obey me? Why didn't you copy from your neighbor? Then he didn't talk anything. Whole class, they started laughing. Mohan was not sad at all. Gandhiji was not at all feeling sad for this incident, what happened in the school that day. Because he was a great person, yes or no? In his heart, he didn't take only anything bad. He knew that he had done the right thing. He decided, no, I have done the right thing. I didn't obey my teacher because my teacher told me to copy from the neighbor boy. I didn't copy. I am feeling very happy. I am not at all feeling sad because teacher scolded me. His teacher asked him to cheat, and that troubled him very much. Why my teacher told me to cheat from the neighbor boy from his slate? That thing troubled him. That thing gave him lot of pain. Mentally he felt very bad. He did not like his teacher who advised him to do wrong. He didn't like that teacher only because he advised him to do wrong thing. Being a teacher, we should never tell our student to cheat from the cheat from your friends at any time, children. So you also don't do this time. Like from this poem, from this prose, you learn that never cheat. Suppose you are getting 1 mark or 2 mark or 10 marks also less, you learn and write in your next lesson, next examination. Thank you, children.